All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how we could potentially make $1,000 per day using affiliate marketing and AI. And I've stumbled across this really cool, creative way that we can actually go out and do this. Now, there are a lot of other videos that will teach you something possibly similar, but they actually don't go out and show you the real results that they're getting. And so that's something that I can actually offer you because I do full-time internet marketing and affiliate marketing. And I've been doing this full-time for 3 years now. And so I'm able to show you and actually give you a real personalized opinion if this method will actually work. And so let's dive into the video real quick. So here's one of the softwares, an AI software that we are going to be using as an example, but I felt like it's a good example to use in today's video because I actually am an affiliate with ScaleNet and I do make a lot of money, and they have paid me thousands of dollars for just sharing their platform with different audiences. And so I'm going to be showing you how we're going to put all this together. Okay. So this is what we're going to be coming back to, and I'll show you how we can use this software in order to make money and potentially make $1,000 a day if you do this right. It's not going to happen overnight. Let's just get that straight right off the bat. You're not going to go out and build a YouTube channel or something like that, start getting customers and making $1 million overnight, even $1,000 overnight. Just not going to happen. But if you do this and you rinse and repeat what I'm going to teach you in this video, then you can actually get to that point where you are making $500 to $1,000 a day. So let's get started with this. And just to show you on ScaleNet how much I have made, my biggest month with them, I made $3,300. And this is only, keep in mind, this is one software. And I promote dozens of softwares on a monthly basis. And I do make over 6 figures as an affiliate. So this just goes to show you that this really does work right here. And this is all free traffic. I've never paid any money to send any traffic. This is all free methods. So you want to stick around and pay attention to what I'm going to teach you in this video. So what you're going to do, if you don't have any ideas, you've probably never heard of ScaleNet, but if it's not going to really just pop in your head a tool that you should be promoting. You may not know how to use it. You never heard of it. So a good place to start. But I'm going to warn you, you can get overwhelmed as well because you're going to be looking at thousands of AI softwares inside this tool. And I'm blown away every time I log into it to check it out. And I find myself spending too much time having fun just kind of shopping because I am sort of a software geek. I love finding out about new software and sharing that with people. And so this is a really cool site. It's called Futurepedia. So you can go over to futurepedia.io and you're going to be able to see that they have over almost 4,000 tools, 54 categories that you can look at. And you can look at the tools that were added just today. You can come over here and start looking right over here, promptdrive.ai. An all-in-one prompt management tool, all these different tools that are hitting the market right over here. Okay. Then you can come over here, go back over to the home, and you can look at these different trending tools right over here. That would be really cool to go ahead and look at as well. And then you can go into these different categories right here. And a lot of times I like to spend a lot of time in the copywriting AI type section, right? And that would be where ScaleNet, I don't think that ScaleNet is on this platform. This is basically an AI tools directory, if you will. So you'll never run out of ideas to find tools. And then there would never be enough time in your life to be able to review all these tools anyways. So what you want to do is come through and just start looking at some of them I have heard of and some of them I have not. Obviously, I've heard of Jasper and Writer. They're big AI writing tools, WriteSonic, Copy AI. So some of the big ones are showing up. But if you can get in on, it's going to be hard, I can tell you, to break into one of these tools right here that have already well established, been around for years now, to become an affiliate with one of those products and start, making a lot of money, $1,000 overnight, it's going to be a little bit difficult. But if you can find one of these tools that's going to make it big, that not everybody's talking about, then that is going to be something that you can do. Okay. So like WriteSonic, that's been around a long time too. But some of these, like Easy Peasy, that one, I haven't really done a whole lot of research on that tool. So for example, you would click on this one and you would go over and check out, it's got 1 star, a 5-star review right there, but you can come over here. I like to vet these tools. I might come over here and look at how many traffic. So they're getting over a half a million visitors to their site per month. That's good as well. We can go up there. They're using GPT-4, super cool. We can go look at their pricing. It looks like we could go and sign people up for $5 a month to this tool. Absolutely, right? And make a commission. So it looks like they have really good pricing over here. So it might be a cool tool to look at. But the most important part that you want to make sure is scrolling all the way down and seeing if they actually have an affiliate program. It's always going to be at the bottom of the page over here. Sometimes it'll be at the top, but right here, we're going to see right here that they have an affiliate program. So we're going to go ahead and click on that link right there and go check this out. Looks like they use Get Rewardful. That is a really popular affiliate management software that basically pays us, right? So we can go and sign up and look at, we're going to receive 30% commission on all payments in the future. So that basically means if you can sign up 100 people, and let's just say you have a retention rate of 70%. So 70 of them sign up the next month. They keep paying. You're going to keep making commissions for signing somebody up one time. So that's the beauty of selling, being an affiliate for software. It will compound and start building and building and building. And you don't have to do all the work again, right? You get a customer and then they pay you for as long as they use a subscription. Some people will cancel the next month. Some people will only stick around for about 10 to 12 months on average. And then you'll get those people that will sign up for annual pricing because they get a better deal on it. So they get a big chunky commission all at once. And then if they continue their subscription a year later, you would get that next payment again a year later. So it's just a really, really good strategy, affiliate marketing strategy to get into, right? So this is where you would sign up. Already have an account, you'd log in, but right here we would just sign up. You're going to want to sign up to the tool, maybe get a free trial. Technically, I always say if you're going to go all in on a software, you should at least buy the lowest plan so you can start making video tutorials and so forth. And that's how you want to stick around, because I'm going to teach you how we can do that in order to get free traffic and start building up our affiliate marketing business. Okay. So you're going to go ahead and sign up. Sign up to the product. Like I said, if you come back over there, you're going to be able to see that their pricing is really, really dirt cheap. Just sign up to the $5 a month plan and you can start using all of the features right there, but you're only going to get about 10,000 words, even at $20 a month, unlimited words right here. Boom. So really, really cool stuff. So then what we want to do now is we have a couple more steps that we want to do. We've picked out our product, right? In this case, just for fun, that's easy peasy, but I'm going to use ScaleNet because I already have access to it. I'm going to show you how we would do this. So the next thing we're going to want to do is come over to a site like this, but you can go over to scribehow.com and we can sign up. So you're just going to click over here and I've already signed up and they have a tool, a browser extension, a Chrome extension, if you will, right over here. And before I actually added it to Chrome, I wanted to show you guys this, that it has 424 5-star reviews. So it's averaging 4.9 out of 5, over 400 users. This tool just straight up works. This is a high quality tool. So we can go in and basically record what we're doing, but it's going to take snapshots at every click or every step and automatically create a really nice PDF, how to do something documentation, right? And we can give this away as a lead magnet or as a bonus gift for people that sign up for our link. So how that works is we're going to add this to Chrome real quick. I'm going to say add extension. It's going to be right up here and then it's going to go away. So we're going to have to go and find that again. So you're going to click on this puzzle piece over here. We're going to scroll down and you can see I use Chrome a lot and I have a lot of extensions. We're going to go ahead and click that. And now we have this over here. Okay. So the next we want to do is we want to go back over to ScaleNet and we're going to log into our account. So like I said, this is going to be any account that you are using, any software that you signed up to, you're going to be able to log in and do this, right? And so what I would do is I'd come over here and we would record our screen. So I would start capture right here. Now capturing your browser. Okay. So it's capturing our browser. And what we would do is if I was going to show somebody how to do something, like if we're going to go over to the AI templates right over here, and I was going to show them how to get a video script outline right here. And then I was going to say right over here, how to use ScaleNet to create your blog posts using AI, something like that. Right. And I'm just going to say generate. Right over here is going to go ahead and generate our outline. We're using the software right here. And then I might have had a little bit of a mix up right there, but it should be recording still. So we're going to add this to the editor. And then what else do we want? Maybe we want one more thing that we want. We want to come back over here. I want to use the video hook and introduction, how to write your first blog post using ScaleNet, something like that. We'll push generate right over here. And then we have this, and we want to add that to our editor over here and just push delete. So we have our hook, our introduction, and our outline right here. And that's good enough. And let's go ahead and push the stop button on stop capture. So now we have this document that we can do all kinds of things with. But essentially what you're going to do right here is you're going to navigate right here, but instead right here, you're going to actually put your affiliate link, right? So if I come back over here to my affiliate page and I go to dashboard, you can cloak your link as well. And I'm in their highest tier, a premium tier right here. And they pay me, actually I'm on the growth tier. They pay me 50% commission now because I'm a big affiliate of theirs. But you would just grab this link right over here, copy, and you'd come back over and we would replace this, right? So edit, and we would go navigate to, and we would replace this with our affiliate link and push enter. So now we have our affiliate link, and there's other ways that you can go in here. I wouldn't recommend using Bitly or anything like that, but there are professional affiliate cloaking tools where you can get this to show something different, or you could even get this part to say something different, but this is pretty good. Okay. So now we can go and look at right over here. So click templates right here. You can see right here, it literally says click templates. We can go and make edits in here if we want to and write over the picture, but it's self-explanatory. It literally just says go to templates, video outline. And then right here, we added in what we wanted to, how to use ScaleNet to create. So we typed that in right there. And then we clicked generate down here. And then, these other parts right here, we don't really need. So we can actually come over here and delete that step right there. Yes, delete. We don't need this one because this is that weird part that happened because I just started using this. And then we can come through here and then we don't need that as well. Once you clean this up, then we came over here and we did that right there. And then we copied this over to the editor. And then we went over and we grabbed the video script outline right here. We went and pushed the back button right here. And then we went down here and we clicked the hook and introduction. And then what we put in right there, generated, and then boom. So now you can use this and say something like, hey, write your YouTube scripts, outlines, introduction, and hooks, get my free guide. Okay, so we're done. We have this right here. We can actually share this or copy the link. If I copy the link and come over here and share this with someone, then this is what they're going to get. It's a 2-minute read. There's 21 steps. And this is going to be a quick guide that you can now give away for free just for people that sign up to ScaleNet in my case, right? But whatever software that you're using, right? If it was the easy peasy one, then you create this for them as well. But then you would be able to give this away as a bonus. So when you send people to sign up for, in my case, ScaleNet, then I could also say, hey, if you sign up for a paid account, go ahead and email me at this email. And then I'll send you this free guide that teaches you XYZ, right? And this is where you'd be able to do this. Super, super simple. We created this guide in literally like 20 seconds, right? So then what do you do next, right? So how are we going to get traffic, right? How are we going to get traffic to our offer? And as somebody that has been doing this full-time for 3 years, I can tell you that YouTube is the best way, and don't get shy away and get scared of YouTube. You don't have to be on camera. Like right now, I'm on camera right here in this video, but you don't have to be on camera. You can just record videos, simple tutorial videos showing people how to use the software. So in my case, show them how to use ScaleNet, and then just casually drop a link and say, hey, you want to go and sign up? Here's a link. And if you do, you get a free bonus gift from me just for signing up with my link. And I'll show you how I use the software. Boom, right? So super, super simple. And you'll come over here. And so one strategy that works well is you can come over here and go into install vidIQ. And the thing is, people say go sign up to vidIQ and it's free. But in order to get the keyword inspector, you are going to have the 10 You are going to have the $10 a month plan in order to get, because they think they only give you like 5 or 10 keywords on the free plan. It's just not going to cut it. If you're serious about this business, you need to pay $10 a month for vidIQ, because then you're going to be able to come over here. And in this case, let's just go back to, so we would say ScaleNut in this case. So I'm just going to type in ScaleNut, the main software. There's a lot of traffic about it. And then we could come over here and look at all these different keywords that we could start making content around to promote the product, right? And so for just the word ScaleNut, 18,000 people are looking for this right now, and it has generally very low competition. So you could go and make 10 videos on this one product with these keywords right here. Ideally you want, so the competition's very low, but this overall score means that the traffic versus the competition, this is where you're going to get these scores. But anything, all these right here in the 60s, those are great keywords, even though they're not green. So you would just go in and make videos on this one software. And then what do you do after that, right? So you create your tutorial videos, 5, 10, 15 minutes long, drop your link, your affiliate link in there, incentivize them that they're going to get your free gift, right? You want to give this free gift away. Okay. And then what do you do after you create your 10 videos? Well, then you're going to go back over to Futurepedia, and you're going to find another software that you can go and sign up to, like right over here, maybe Marketing Blocks. And maybe we would go and sign up to this site, go check out the site. I always like to see, like, is the site even getting any traffic? Yes, it is. 300,000 visitors per month. We can go check this out. Super cool stuff. And then what I'll do is I'll scroll all the way to the bottom down here, and then I'll go and see if they have an affiliate program. Don't see over there, but you'll have to just do some investigation to see if you can find the affiliate program, and then sign up to the affiliate program. And then by that time you could ditch the other software that you're promoting and then sign up to your new software, right? So if you have a couple of these per month that you're working on, you've already got 30 videos just from doing 3 products, right? So this is a very legitimate way that you can go out and start building an affiliate marketing business. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Yes, you're not going to make $1,000 overnight, but I've had a multiple $1,000 days doing this, only using free traffic on YouTube, and literally doing tutorials, literally doing this exact thing that I'm showing you right now, doing tutorial videos and sending people to sign up. And when they sign up, I get paid, and I get paid commissions. Like I said, I showed you over here some of my commissions over here and this is just like the last couple of months on this new, because I'm on the 50% tier now. This is just casual passive income that I'm making. I haven't even made a ScaleNut video on any of my YouTube channels in a really long time, and I'm still making money monthly because I did this once for ScaleNut, right? So imagine if you did 100 softwares like this and you were able to achieve that in 6 months. Just imagine how much money you actually could be making. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's been a while since I created a video on Teach Me Money Methods. I hope you guys enjoyed this and got value from this. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, and to subscribe to Teach Me Money Methods, where a real full-time affiliate marketer that has been around the block, has tried a lot of methods. I'm going to be sharing with you, if you want to make money as an affiliate online, the right ways to do it. So you want to make sure that you hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any videos. I will see you in the next video.